Is the Leander bag from Ucon Acrobatics good enough to earn a spot on one of the hallowed hooks of the 11? Let's find out. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of content and you want to support my channel, one great way to do that is to check out my merch store. In there, I've got visionswell can-shaped glasses, visionswell camping mugs, visionswell coffee cups, Odessa coffee cups, sling slut stickers, Odessa stickers, visionswell logo stickers, visionswell beanies, visionswell hats, keep gift donate sell logo pullover hoodies, Odessa zipper hoodies, sling slut t-shirts, visionswell logo t-shirts, Odessa t-shirts, keep gift donate sell logo t-shirts, and two brand new designs, my delete key t-shirt and my 1111 visionswell retro watch t-shirt, and much, much more. All of the products are hand curated and hand designed by me, and I keep the price very affordable. A portion of the proceeds helps to support Odessa's Michelin-star dog diet. Check out the link in the description to learn more. So the Leander bag from Ucon Acrobatics is this packable, ultra lightweight duffel bag, and it comes in black, and it has these really nice rope handles. You got a little zipper compartment on the front. There's an internal zipper compartment with a little key leash for your valuables. And then it also has this detachable shoulder strap. So if you don't want to use it, you can easily just undo these little carabiners. And then when you want to use it in shoulder mode, you can just reattach it. It's perfect for the gym, perfect for a weekend getaway, bringing it on a car journey, or you could stow it in the overhead compartment because of its size if you wanted to bring it as a travel item. It's got tons of interior space. It has an external bottle pocket. It has that external quick access pocket I mentioned, then an internal zipper valuables pocket as well. It's incredibly lightweight, and it's also incredibly packable. So when it's empty, you can fold it down to a super small size, put it inside your luggage, put it inside a messenger bag, put it inside a backpack, and you have a really large duffel to go that's super lightweight and easily packs down. You can easily carry it over your shoulder or just in your hand with these attractive little rope handles. Feels almost like a parachute material, very lightweight, has a little bit of mesh as well, backing, and some nylon reinforcement around the outside. It's got a 30D RPET shell, reinforced with a ripstop weave. It's got a PFC-free water repellent coating on the outside, making it very weatherproof. Rain kind of just rolls off this material, which is really nice. It weighs just 0.97 pounds empty, so under a pound, extremely lightweight. It has a 30-liter capacity, so you can fit all types of gear in there, and I'll show you everything I have loaded out inside. I loaded it out basically just to give you like a volume comparison, and it measures in at 19.3 by 12.6 by 7.9 inches thick. And it's made entirely from recycled textiles, so I like the sustainability factor. In terms of how it carries, you can easily just carry it by its handles like this. If you wanted to carry it at your side, it's easy to do that at either side. These rope handles are super comfortable, and I actually really like the way they look. I think they're very stylish. And then you also have the shoulder carry strap. So if you wanted to sling this over your shoulder, it's very easy to do that. You can lengthen the strap if you want to carry it a little bit lower. Carry it on your back, carry it on your side. Or do the old shoulder carry cool guy method. You just have a lot of different carry options here. So I think overall, it looks really nice when you're carrying it around. And if you're a duffel bag person, having something this ultra lightweight and also stylish is a really nice option. So if you take a look, you have these two little grab points on either end, the counter pull points. If you pull that open, you have a really nice large compartment here for quick access if you wanted to put your cell phone, wallet, keys, battery backups. And there's such an extra amount of volume in here, you could easily fit like a rolled up hoodie, gloves, a hat, anything you want, any extra outer layers, larger pouches, anything you need quick access to could easily fit in this compartment. Really nice paracord zipper pull that has these little rubber ends that feel really nice in the hand. They look nice. Overall, just really stylish construction. Then you have this really nice stretch mesh water bottle pocket on this side, on the external of the bag. So it's really easy to fit water bottles in here. And just as an example, if I took this custom notebook here, fits in there beautifully. Perfect place to stash an umbrella, stash a large water bottle, stash a pouch, stash your sunglasses. So it's nice to just have that little extra external storage. And then on either end of the bag, you have these nice metal D-rings where the carry strap attaches. And then the back side of the bag has a luggage pass-through. Although it would be tough to use this with a luggage pass-through because it's such a large bag that you wouldn't really be able to fit this under the seat as a personal item. You'd really have to put it in the overhead compartment. So I don't know how useful this luggage pass-through is going to be. But if you really underpacked it and squished it down, maybe you could get away with it. I don't know. I probably wouldn't risk it myself. But then, like I said, you have these really stylish rope handles. I kind of have an affinity for rope handles. They're a little bit more rare these days in bags, but I really appreciate bag brands that use them. Yeah, it's not the most comfortable or useful handle, but I just think they look really nice and they feel really good to grab, and they give it kind of this like artistic look to it that I think is really nice. And then if you go into the internal compartment, I can show you how much I've loaded this out with. So this assortment of gear is going to make absolutely no sense. I really just did it for capacity. But I even have way more room in here. I could probably fit another like 6 hoodies or a giant packing cube in addition to everything I've gotten here. It's freaking huge. So in there, I've got the Grams 28 camera cube in case you wanted to bring a camera and a protective case. I have my Thule Subterra 2 Power Shuttle large tech pouch. I have my Alpaca Elements tech case. My Bellroy tech case. I have my Evergoods Cap 0.5 and a week's worth of clothes in a medium peak design packing cube. So yeah, this makes no sense. I would never be bringing this much tech or this many tech pouches and a camera cube and all this crap, but it gives you an idea of how much you could fit in here. All that in here, I could still fit like a whole other packing cube, 5 more tech kits, 8 EDC pouches, a 6-pack of beer, a bottle of liquor, 15 hoodies, 27 pairs of gloves, 343 hats. You could fit the entire world in this frickin' thing. It's gigantic. So if you really need a ton of space in a packable duffel, this has got your back. Then here's this internal compartment that's stitched in. That's like for your valuables. It's a little zipper compartment. That's beautiful. You have some mesh lining and accents that give it some reinforcement. And you just have a ton of space in here. So if you really wanted to load this out for the gym or something, you could probably bring like your entire weight set. This thing is freaking massive. So if that matters to you, I highly suggest you pick up this duffel. And then when it comes to its packability, like look at how lightweight this is. I can just kind of... That's it. It's about the size of a small hoodie when you like compress it down. And this would fit absolutely anywhere, in a backpack, in a personal item backpack, in a travel bag, in your suitcase. So if you just need an extra gym duffel or something to throw in your car to carry some extra emergency clothes or something, you have a ton of options to use this duffel in a ton of different ways. Its lightweightness, its packability, and its minor organization are perfect for a lot of different scenarios. So is the Ucon Acrobatics Leander Bag, this big 30-liter packable duffel, good enough to make its way into the 11? Unfortunately, no, it's not. To me, this gets deleted, not because it's not a great bag. I mean, the materials are nice, it's super lightweight, it's a really large duffel, but I think that's where the problem lies for me. I'm not really a duffel travel guy, and this is way too big to fit as a personal item or under the seat, so this would have to go in the overhead. This would be great for like car travel or to use as a gym bag, so I do see usefulness with it. I just don't think I have the space or need for it in the 11, so it's not going to make its way in. For anyone that does need a gym bag, or you need like an emergency camping bag, something to put emergency clothes in your car, maybe a med kit, maybe you need this as a carry-on only, throw it in the overhead, you really like traveling with duffels, I can't really think of a better, more lightweight, nice, still attractive, artistic, fashionable kind of packable duffel than this. I do think it's an excellent packable duffel, and it's an excellent looking duffel overall. So if you're in the market and you really like duffels, this might be an excellent choice for you. So I don't want to dissuade anyone. Just for my collection, I don't think I really have a place for it, so therefore it gets deleted. So what do you think about the Leander bag? Do you think it's worth the money? Do you like the materials? Do you like how lightweight it is? What are your thoughts on rope handles? Do you like its packability? I'd love to know your opinions. Please leave a comment below. Thank you as always for liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing, and watching in general. You've really helped this channel grow, and you make me so motivated to keep doing this, and I really appreciate you going on this gear journey with me. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.
Give me the 11 and nothing more to pack. Lightened in the curtain that was hanging on my back. I'm cutting through the static just to find the perfect set. The finest choice.